Kanya na maovo asu serikali ya Kitui ni muvutie wia visa munene muvyani wa itheka Stephen Makau Kivunzi itina huo kwatikana na mavito molusani wake manza cha shilingi milioni ile ilonosete kuma kwi mwene nthi umwe na ulonenda wia wa kandalasi serikali ya Kitui ni kana kumunenga wia usu uwo mbulwa ni gavana wa Kitui Dr. Julius Malombe Kavindani kala watongwa iseseso ya kwikia sahi ya mutalatala wa uthukumi kati wa nzama ya maminista make iseso ila yatoi uwe ofisine wake bala waweta itina ofisi wake kwika ukunikili wa kuyana itina wa movo asu kumuvikia ni makwatia maofisa asu na mavitio asu makosa ilovia siya mwene ndi na muvetanga wiyani vala waweta wonde ndi ni wa serikali yake kukwatikana na sikiko siya ulusani nuku muveta wiyani na kuwaswa matambia maki meo. Onesmus Chalo ena mauvo.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui Dr. Julius Makau Malombe nuombola kwetewa wia kwa afisa munene muvyani wa itheka serikali na yake Stephen Makau Kivunzi itina wa kukwatikana na kiko cholusani valonosi ya kimantha cha shilingi milioni ili kuma kwi mwene nthi umwe na ulonenda wia watenda serikali na ya kaunti ya Kitui na kumwatha kumunenge wia usu mbe wake kulea kuyaniwa vala mwene nthi usu wanendia kutungi wa mbesa siake na kuvika maofisini ma serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui kukuna livoti. Malombe aumbola ofisini wake Kavindani kala watongwa sia iseso ya kwikia sahi wa mutalatala wa kiuthukumi kati wake na nzama maminista make.
Chief Officer responsible for lands, Mr. Kivunzi, was dismissed by the county government of Kitui following complaints which were received that he had solicited and obtained money from somebody whom he had promised to assist to be awarded a contract. And that person wrote a letter to us, and because disciplinary matters of public officers is vested with a county public service board who don't just sack, they follow certain procedures of making sure somebody is hired.
Malombe nwawetakana itina wa kwithukisya mwene nthi usu wamwe na avisa u nonethije niguo avisa usu ni wosie mbesa sia mwene nthi usu na kumwitithia wia vala wetakana ndaisa kuthukuma na maofisa mena ulusani ayumia ukanyo kuya thukumi ma serikali yake kana olo kukwatikana na uthukumi wena ulusani no kuinduka na kumwasia matambi make meo.
There's no little money, 2 million, and some are given to him, others given to the driver, and she was able to narrate to the county public service board what happened. And then because we have a law which says fair administration of justice, Mr. Kivunzi was invited to appear, and he appeared together with a lady. And they each said their bit, and they came to the conclusion that indeed what the lady was alleging was truthful, and therefore in the circumstances they wrote a report which was brought to me, and after looking at the report I said in the circumstances and given what we have said, we will not tolerate. That is, people who are conning people because through the offices they hold. We have to let that particular officer go.
Afisa o IMCA wa Chuso mwingia yolu kuma mwaka wa 2017 ngina ngilele miongoni na ile balona aisie unyuvanini muvitu itina wakeu anyuwane gavana Malombe ta afisa munene muvyani wa utandithia bala Malombe ona muthamisi muvyani uwa itheka. Malombe nwamenda maminista make na alameke ase ya uthukumi ya mwaka wa 2025 mathukume kwina na budget ila ikitwa muvyani yo na uthukumi wa withe na umelu.
All chief officers, all ministers, all officers know if you engage in those, will also let you go and do those things somewhere else.
Ripoti ya Bilingo Movo Mutongwe TV kuma kaunti ya Kitui, Neto Onesmus Chalo.